Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we will be open box and take a look into OKX USB-C docking station. This docking station will work with any device, MacBook, other computers, cell phone, they have a USB-C output. So basically I bought this one for my MacBook Pro 16 inch. I have a here. Unfortunately, the MacBook 16 inch, you will not see any output. You will see only USB-C output. I have a two USB-C this side. Then I have a two USB-C this side, and there's an audio connector. Otherwise, there's no other port. But I want to connect multiple stuffs. I show you here where I have a setup already. As you can see, I have a bar already, a 35-inch display. And I also have a wireless keyboard mouse. I want to connect. Also, when I do edit, I want to connect my USB drive, other stuff, but I have to struggle a lot. Before I have tried a couple other hubs. If you haven't watched those videos, then I will leave a link in description and you can watch. Mostly, this is the most handy tool for me. I'm using this one from USB-C to USB. I'm using this one. I have two of those. I'm connecting my printer. I'm connecting my keyboard. I'm connecting my USB drive with this one. But this will be more handy. I just will with the connect with my MacBook, and then I have no need to do anything. I will leave a connection with my printer with other device. Now let's open box and we will look around how many ports or whatever. I will be opening box and we will also talking about the product. This one is cost me about $114 plus tax from Amazon. And this is really small size. If you see, it comes in my hand like that and that. If you open box, in the top we have some instruction manual. It tells you about each port, what is about it, features. We have a docking station here on one side. Then open it. There's something else inside the box here, this one, and nothing. You can leave it here. Just open this one, see what is inside. Inside we have a dual USB-C cable and we have a single USB-C cable. Other than we have a nothing with it. And this one also, I want you to give it some kind of feedback, and it gives you some kind of a free Amazon gift card or something. You can do if you wish, up to you. This doesn't come with the power adapter, so basically we have to use our MacBook charger or power adapter to power up this one. We're gonna use this one to power up USB-C docking station, and this will help us to charge or connect any, but we are going to use this one from MacBook. They say for MacBook you have to use this one. If you go to this product and description, then probably you will be understand what that mean. If we want to connect the display with this one, then we have to use this one. If you want to use external displays with this one, then we have to use this one. Otherwise, to connect other stuff, we can use only this one. This one they call OKX 15 and 2. That means you will use two ports over here. These are two hosts, and you will be able to use 15 things. You will be able to connect 15 things. Let's talk here. First, we are going to connect power adapter over here. We have a little sign here. We are going to connect a host like dual USB-C cable over here, Ethernet gigabyte. We have a two HDMI, one DPI display. We have a two USB 3.0 this side, two USB 2.0 this side, and we have a two USB 3.0 this side. We also have a USB-C and audio jack. That's all we have it. and we have a little bit of LED light indicator. When we're going to power up, it's gonna show you here if it's on or off. And other than the color is like silver, like matching with my MacBook, and this one is like dark color, a little bit grayish black color. And now we're gonna power up and we're gonna connect some stuff and see how quick and how it's working. So now I have already opened everything. We're ready to plug in cables. First I have this one, my MacBook charger adapter. One side I have already plugged into wall, but my the power adapter came with the MacBook. This one I'm going to connect over here. It says power. Connect here. Once we connect, you will see light comes on. And for MacBook, this one they say we can use also with any other power adapter. We can use this cable to charge also. But I don't need this cable. I need this one dual cable. We're going to connect here. It says a host. Connect over here. And this side will go to MacBook either side. You can connect this side or this side, whatever. You need to connect this side right now. And now my MacBook start charging. Now I have this display already HDMI cable connected and power up. I'm going to use my HDMI cable to this one, see if I can get any kind of display on from my MacBook to here. It flip, so most likely this one going to be come up something. I got the display. It's work great. Actually, I have a bad experience before. I was really frustrating. I have a different hub. I have a hub from EOSO before. Anytime I connect to my MacBook, this screen was blinking like about every 30-40 seconds. Now we have a dual display. Well, see, I'm going to connect more stuff and see how it is working. I'm going to put my camera a little bit more far so we can see. So I have a USB, little bit of this RGB keypad and mouse pad, and I have also keyboard and mouse. We're gonna connect everything to this hub and see how it's working. I'm going to connect this connector to the hub. This one from my keyboard and mouse, so I will be able to connect my keyboard and mouse with this one. Here we go. I'm going to power up my mouse keyboard pad. Okay, so this one working. I have to check. Let's connect to my USB. Came up already. I'm going to connect another one. This one, we don't have any micro SD card or card port. So we have only USB ports here, no card. So I have a connected two already. I see only one right now. Let me disconnect this one. I'm going to connect another one, see what happened. I can see only, oh, now we got two. Probably something happened with this one. I have one more on the back side, two more on the back side. I'm going to connect. So we're gonna pick up. I got one more, three. One more left. I'm going to connect one more USB. 2 to 4. See, 4. I got 4. So basically everything works right now. I got the display, this one. So that's all. I will leave more information inside the description about the if I missed something. So basically there was only we have open box, we have a connected. If you want to buy or something, you're looking for something like that, so this one doesn't come with a power adapter or anything, just come with the cable. You have to use your own power adapter. And probably if you want to charge your MacBook through it, then you need a almost like more than 90-watt adapter with the USB-C. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.